You've got to be kidding me. That's incredible field. I thought Fish had done enough. It's an excellent drop shot. Look how close this one lands to the net and stays there. Nadal sneaks it over, and Fisher's reaction says it all.
Yeah, it's a great little reaction, isn't it, from the American?
He thinks he's won the point here.